Hello world, it's perfect, it's beautiful, it's a paradise. On the post of Kevin Lutov, he captioned it with landed in the ultimate paradise. JM Marriott Maldives Resort and Spa. This award-winning resort has everything you could ever dream of for the perfect island escape. When you are in Maldives, create unique and meaningful experiences at JM Marriott Maldives Resort and Spa, a tropical island paradise situated on a private island in Shaviani Atoll. Stylish villa located both on the beach and on the water offer guests their own private pools and decks with stunning views across the Indian Ocean. Sample the flavors of the Maldives as well as global specialties at the resort's international restaurant, which featured treetop dining, plentiful breakfast, Japanese and authentic Italian cuisine. Discover a wide variety of activities ranging from snorkeling, scuba diving, jet skiing, and sailing to our Little Griffins Kid Club. Spoil yourself at the rejuvenating spa or stay fit with resort state-of-the-art gym and fitness classes. Paradise is closer than ever. Take a 360 virtual tour in an unobstructed view of the Indian Ocean or the island lush tropical gardens. From private villas terrace with its own spacious private wooden deck, pool, and outdoor shower. Experience the scenic luxury and all-embracing amenities of their accommodation. Dining one of the largest kids clubs in the Maldives, Spa by JW and all that the private island resort in the Maldives has to offer. The resort and spa is an ultimate multi-generational retreat where every family member finds joy. It nestled on a natural island. The resort combines breathtaking beauty with exceptional amenities. What we are all waiting for, guys, if we want to experience paradise, come and visit JM Marriott Maldives Resort and Spa. Beautiful day to all! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!